If line K and line M lie in the same plane but have no points in common, and they are both tangent to the circle of area 16 pi, what is the shortest distance between any point on K and any point of M? So let's start from the beginning. Line K and line M lie in the same plane but have no points in the canon. No points in the canon, it means that line K is parallel to line M. So let me draw, we have given circle. Let me draw two lines which are parallel. And both are tangent to the circle. It means that they touch circle exactly in one point. So let it be approximately something like this. Line K and M, they are parallel. Why? Because they have no points in common. What else? Both tangent to the circle, so they have exactly one point in which they touch circle. What else? We have that area of the circle is 16 pi. Area is 16 pi. And we have to find the shortest distance between any point of K and any point of M. What it will be? The distance between, the shortest of course will be the distance between these two points. And what is the distance between these points? This line touch exactly in one point our circle. It means that when we draw the radius of our circle, this is our center of our circle, the radius is always perpendicular to our line which touch our circle in one point. The same will be on the other side. Line is perpendicular. If you extend this radius, we will, this is always also r, radius of our circle, and the radius is perpendicular to our line M. Why? Because when the line touch our circle in one point, when we draw the radius from this point, radius is the segment from point on the circle to the center of the circle. The distance between this center and this point is r always. And now, to find the shortest distance between these 2 points, we see that we have r plus r. R plus r is diameter. So it means we have to find the diameter of this circle. And when we have diameter, we will have the distance between these 2 points. It will be the shortest distance, because if you choose, for example, point which is not this point which touch our circle, for example this, the distance between this point and that will be longer. We need to find the diameter we have given that K line and M line are parallel and the area of our circle is 60 pi. So like I said, because we have to find the diameter and D is 2r, r plus r is 2r, so to find the D we need to have the r, the radius of our circle. We have given area. Let me remind you formula for area of circle. This is pi r squared. And we have given that area is 60 pi. So we can substitute area by 16 pi, and this is equal pi r squared. Only unknown is r. We have pi and pi on both sides. We have multiplication. So first I will divide both sides by pi. So pi and pi we can reduce. And we have, I will change the sides by that r is square is equal 16. So you have to ask yourself, which number raised to second power give you 16? Positive 4 or negative 4. But this example, r is distance between the point of the circle and the center of our circle. So r must be greater than 0. So r can be only 4. We have r. So when we have r, we can find the d, our diameter. Diameter is equal to r. So we have 2 times 4, this is 8. We found the distance between the point on K line and the M line. This is the shortest distance between these two lines, because these two lines are parallel, so they don't have common point. It means they don't touch. So this is my solution.